Hello. Can you understand what I'm saying right now? Let's find out together. This is a listening challenge. Today, I'm going to tell you an interesting story. Listen carefully to every word. Try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you miss some words at first.
This story happened last summer. It was a hot, sunny day in July. The sky was clear and blue.
I woke up early that morning. The sun was shining through my bedroom window. Birds were singing outside.
I got out of bed, stretched my arms, and walked to the kitchen. I was hungry and needed breakfast. I made myself scrambled eggs, toast, and fresh orange juice. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
While eating, I checked my phone. There was a message from my friend Tom. He had an interesting idea.
Hey, James, the weather is perfect today. Let's go to the beach. What do you think? I loved that idea. I hadn't been to the beach in months. I immediately replied, yes, great idea. What time? Tom said we should meet at 10 o'clock. That gave me 1 hour to get ready and pack my things.
I took a quick shower, brushed my teeth, and put on my comfortable summer clothes, a t-shirt and shorts.
Then I packed my beach bag. I put in a towel, sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, and a bottle of water. I also packed some snacks. I took apples, cookies, and sandwiches. Beach trips always make me very hungry. At exactly 10 o'clock, Tom arrived at my house. He was driving his blue car and honking the horn. I grabbed my bag, locked the door, and ran to the car. Good morning, Tom. Good morning. Are you ready for an amazing beach day? We drove for 30 minutes. During the drive, we listened to music and talked about our plans for the day. Tom loves rock music, but I prefer pop songs. We took turns choosing songs. It was fair and fun. Finally, we arrived at the beach. The parking lot was already half full. Many people had the same idea. We found a good parking spot, got out of the car, and walked toward the sand carrying our bags. The beach was beautiful. Golden sand everywhere, blue ocean waves, and people enjoying the sunshine. It looked perfect. We found a nice spot near the water. Not too close, not too far. Just the right distance from the waves. We spread our towels on the sand and sat down. The warm sand felt good between my toes. First, I put sunscreen all over my skin. The sun was very strong. I didn't want to get sunburned. Tom did the same. We helped each other put sunscreen on our backs. Good friends always help each other. After that, we just relaxed and enjoyed the view. The ocean looked so peaceful and calm. The sound of waves was relaxing. Some children were building sandcastles nearby. They were laughing and having so much fun. Their sandcastles looked impressive. Other people were playing beach volleyball. They were jumping, running, and shouting. The game looked very competitive and exciting. Tom asked me, "Do you want to swim now?" I thought about it for a moment. "Yes, let's go," I answered. We stood up, left our things on the towels, and walked toward the water. The water felt cold at first when it touched my feet, but after a few seconds, it felt refreshing and nice. We walked deeper into the ocean. The water came up to our knees, then our waist, then our chest. A big wave came toward us. "Jump!" Tom shouted. We both jumped over the wave and laughed loudly. We swam for 20 minutes. The water felt amazing. Swimming in the ocean is different from swimming in a pool. I floated on my back and looked at the sky. White clouds were moving slowly. I felt completely relaxed and happy. After swimming, we went back to our towels. We were wet and tired, but felt wonderful. Exercise is good. We dried ourselves with our towels and lay down on the sand. The warm sun dried our skin quickly. I was getting hungry. I opened my bag and took out the sandwiches I had prepared that morning. "Do you want a sandwich?" I asked Tom. "Sure, I'm starving," he replied. The sandwiches tasted delicious. Food always tastes better when you eat it outdoors, especially at the beach. After lunch, we decided to walk along the beach. Walking on sand is good exercise for your legs. We walked for about 15 minutes. We saw interesting shells, smooth stones, and small crabs running across the sand. I picked up some beautiful shells. They had different colors, white, pink, and brown. I wanted to keep them as souvenirs. Tom found a starfish. It was small, orange, and still alive. We looked at it for a minute, then put it back in the water gently. We continued walking and talking. Tom told me funny stories about his work. I laughed so much my stomach hurt. The afternoon passed quickly. Time flies when you're having fun with good friends in beautiful places. Around 4 o'clock, we decided to swim one more time before leaving. The water was warmer now than in the morning. This time we swam even longer. We splashed water at each other and acted like little kids. It was hilarious. Some dolphins appeared in the distance. We could see them jumping out of the water. It was an amazing sight. Look, Tom, dolphins! We stopped swimming and just watched them. Nature is truly beautiful. The dolphins stayed for about 5 minutes, then they swam away. We felt lucky to have seen them. It was magical.
After that incredible moment, we went back to our spot. We packed our things slowly. We didn't want to leave.
We shook the sand off our towels, put everything back in our bags, and took one last look at the ocean. Today was perfect, Tom said. I agreed completely. Yes, absolutely perfect. We should do this more often. We walked back to the parking lot. My legs felt tired from all the walking and swimming. Good tired, not bad tired. We got in the car and started driving home. The sun was lower in the sky now. Sunset was coming soon. During the drive home, we were quieter than before. We were both tired, but very happy and satisfied. Tom dropped me off at my house. Thanks for today, Tom. I had an amazing time. Me too. Let's do it again soon. Have a good evening, James. I went inside my house, put my bag down, and immediately took a warm shower. The shower felt wonderful after the salty ocean water. After showering, I made myself a simple dinner. I was too tired to cook anything complicated, just pasta and vegetables.
While eating, I looked at the photos I took at the beach on my phone. They brought back all the happy memories.
I sent some photos to Tom and to my family. Everyone replied saying how nice the beach looked and how happy I seemed. After dinner, I felt extremely tired. The sun, swimming, and walking had used all my energy. I needed rest. I brushed my teeth, changed into my pajamas, and got into bed. My bed felt so comfortable after the long day. I lay there thinking about the day. The beautiful beach, the cold water, the dolphins, the laughter with Tom, everything was perfect. I realized something important. Simple days like this, spent with good friends in nature, are the best days. They make life meaningful. Within 5 minutes, I fell asleep. I slept deeply and dreamed about the ocean, the waves, and the happy dolphins jumping. So, did you understand my story? Could you follow along? I hope you understood most of it. Keep practicing your English.